In this video, I will show you how to unlock your FPS in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. Here we are, I've got Roblox open currently. Now, if you actually hold down the left shift button on your keyboard and press F5, you're going to see your current FPS. So if we look in the top left hand corner, you can see that this is actually capped and it's not really hitting any more than 60 frames per second. So to change this, what you're going to want to do first is come out of the Roblox player and open up an internet browser. So here we are on the internet. Now, I've got Google Chrome. It doesn't really matter what browser you use, but what we're going to do is download a frames FPS unlocker. So what you want to do is come across to google.com and just go ahead and type Roblox FPS unlocker and then hit enter. And what you're going to want to do is click the top result. So this is on GitHub and it's by a guy called Axton. So you want to click onto this link here. And it's going to take you across to the download page. Now, currently it's version 5.0. It could be a different version, but it doesn't really matter. He does update this quite frequently. So what you want to do is from here, is just scroll down until you get to the download link. So you can see underneath assets, it's this top link here, which is RBX FPS Unlocker x64 hotfix 1.zip. So just go ahead and click on this to start downloading, and you'll see that's going to start downloading up here. So once that's finished downloading, next what you're going to want to do is open up your downloads folder. So if you come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the search bar down here, and then just go ahead and type downloads to bring up your downloads folder, and underneath best match, you want to click onto the downloads file folder. Now what you want to do is click onto, you can see the file here, so what you're going to want to do is extract this first. Just right click and click onto extract all, and then click extract, and it's going to extract the folder down here. So you can see now that we've got the FPS unlocker, and what you can do is, if I come back to my desktop, and what you can do is just add this to your desktop. So just drag and drop, so it's just easier to get to in the future. And if I go into view and show desktop icons, you'll see the FPS unlocker is here. So now all you need to do is double click this to run the FPS unlocker, and you'll see it's going to start working, and what it's going to do is minimize that to the system tray. So you want to run this every time just before you start up Roblox. And that is all there is to it. So when you next load up Roblox now, you'll be able to choose this FPS unlocker, and as I mentioned, just double click it every time before you load up Roblox to run the FPS unlocker, and you will notice an increase in your FPS. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you wanted to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.